Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann, and today I have for you an unboxing and review of Pink Sugar, and this is the Gold Box edition. Hey everyone, I am so glad that you are here. Welcome and welcome back if you're returning. If you are new, I'm Nancy Ann and I do all kinds of different unboxings, mostly clothing at this point. I'm hoping to get into more as time goes on. Clothing hauls, try-ons, different types of reviews on things, and a little bit of lifestyle. If that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love it if you would hit the subscribe button and stick around for the long haul. And to my returning viewers, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are awesome. Okay, for today's unboxing, this is the Pink Sugar Gold Box Edition. Apparently this has things like beauty products, little stuff for your feet, I think maybe some jewelry. I saw this one unboxed, the subscription box on Georgia Sunshine. Her name is Christy, and she's quite a popular YouTuber here, kind of in my genre. And I want to be her when I grow up. She gets to unbox all sorts of interesting things. Absolutely love that. And I saw her do the Pink Sugar box by viewer request. For a subscription, it's only $15 a month plus shipping. So I thought I would go, I used her link to go over there, but I found this Gold Box edition, and I think they said it, I'm going by memory because it's not on the site anymore. I think they said it was like $127 value for $10 plus, I think I paid $5.50 in shipping or something like that. So I thought, you know what, I'll try that. Well, what I didn't think, and this is going to be a little bit vague, this video, and I apologize for that, is that I don't have a link for you. I usually have a discount code or a link. I'm not going to have it this box. And I apologize. I should have thought that through. It actually didn't occur to me until yesterday when I was doing just a little bit of research to see what I could tell you. I should have ordered the subscription box. So what I would like to do with this instead is I'm going to unbox this box. We'll get a little idea of the type of things that they have in here. And then you tell me if you think that this is something I should do monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, because you get a choice of any of those with this box, or just don't do it, skip it, let's move on. Alrighty, let me read to you what the site does say about their prescription boxes though. Let's see. 5 premium items delivered monthly for just $15. Our quality, trendy picks for each season include products such as lifestyle items, fun fashion accessories, footwear, and beauty products. So again, this one that I got, I think this was a gold edition. It had cost more initially. I think they were clearing them out, so I got it for 10 bucks. All right, let's get into the box. Enough talking. Here we go. What's in here? So that's what it looks like. We've got a little pamphlet on top. And it looks like our products. Hey girl, you are brave, you are loved, you are kind, you are smart. Those look like postcards. I'll show those to you in a minute. And then there's our products underneath. Let me show you closer here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's get into it, shall we? What is on the outside information card? You can give, instead of $15 for one box, spend an extra $5 and send a matching box to a woman or girl at the Lotus House shelter in Miami. So that's kind of cool. You can give one of these to someone else for an extra $5. By the way, you do pay shipping separately on all of these. I think it was $6.50. And then share, become a Pink Sugar Box affiliate. And by the way, that's part of the reason why there's some confusion. I tried to sign up as an affiliate. I never got any email from them or anything that said I'm an affiliate. And when I thought, well, maybe I didn't sign up. So I went to sign up and they said, no, your email's already in as an affiliate. So I don't know what's going on. But if anybody from Pink Sugar is watching this, help me. My email is down in the drop-down box below because I can't do anything if I don't know if I'm an affiliate or if I don't know if I'm just getting a regular subscription box and I'm giving people a discount code. So I'm very confused right now. Alrighty. And then and then that just talks about the affiliate link. And this again talks about the get 5 full price items for $15. And we are the reason someone smiles today. That is so cool. Okay. So now let's get into the actual items. These are postcards. Gosh, how long has it been since I've sent a postcard? I think there's about 10 of these. So here they are on the front. Let me put them up. How about if we put them up right way? There we go. So very inspirational. Hey girl, you are brave, loved, kind, smart, beautiful, strong, worthy, and enough. So that's kind of cool. Is there anything else special? Yeah, just sent with love. So I haven't sent a postcard in eons, have you? That's kind of neat though, because you could just send somebody a little word of encouragement and the postage is less. Next up, we have a little bit of fashion jewelry. This says it's nickel free, so this is not going to hurt the ears. Oh, it looks like on the back. So let me show you the pieces. Very sparkly jewelry there. This is not my style, but I think I will put it in my giveaway box. And the little pieces on the back for Pierce, they're kind of bent. So as long as they still stay intact when I straighten them out, they'll go into my giveaway. Otherwise, I'm not going to give somebody something broken. So that's 2 full-size things. What is this? So it's kind of, you know what? They tape them in there so they don't slide around. I really appreciate that because in so many of these subscription boxes, you open them up and things are kind of shifted. So I like that. This is a rose and cactus water makeup remover wipes. That's pretty cool. I'm keeping these for myself. That sounds like something I would really use. There's no information on them, but I don't, and it's Nicole Miller, by the way. That's the brand is Nicole Miller. I don't worry about cleansers so much, what's in them, because you rinse them off right away. And a makeup remover wipe is a cleanser. You still want to rinse when you're done. So that I will find very handy. We've got Earth Mist Facial Toner. Ooh, and ginseng. Is it ginseng? Ginseng? Somebody tell me. I could just look it up. Somebody will tell me down there. You guys are good about that. And green tea. This is by Wild Magic. Ginseng has long been I'm about to get overexposed. There we go. Ginseng has long been regarded as a vital herb in Eastern wellness practice and for its restorative and anti-aging properties. Formulated with ginseng, Earth Mist helps revitalize the skin very small print, and protect it from environmental factors such as UV sun damage. This toner also deeply soothes with green tea, rose water, aloe, and calendula so that your skin stays bright and balanced. And then you spray the mist over your entire face and then gently tap into the skin until absorbed. Can be used after cleansing or anytime through the day to refresh. I'm not going to keep this. My skin is sensitive and I do well on Neutrogena. If I could wipe this off, but since it's supposed to soak in, I'm not going to keep this. And if I can cram it into the giveaway box, I'm going to. But that's okay. I love putting things in the giveaway box. That brand was, did I already say Wild Magic? And this is also Wild Magic Open Water Facial Cleanser. Ooh, I got 2. So I got makeup remover and then I got the facial cleanser. This is kelp and burdock. Let me show it to you first. Wild Magic. Never heard that brand before. Has anybody else heard Wild Magic? I'm not up on all that. Because I stick with Neutrogena, I'm not super up on face care brands. So if you've heard of this, please let me know in the comments below. Open Water is a gentle facial cleanser that effectively removes dirt and buildup to leave your skin feeling fresh. Formulated with the power of the ocean using kelp, sea moss, and seawater extracts, this cleanser provides a wave of minerals to help reawaken your skin. It also features burdock root, a detoxifying herb used in traditional medicine that has anti-inflammatory properties to help calm and soothe. And then how to use: dispense into hands and lather with warm water. Massage gently in small rotating circles over the entire face and neck for about 60 seconds, avoiding the eye area, and rinse with warm water. So there you go, the Open Water facial cleanser. And those were our 5 items for $10. Plus, I think it was $5.50 or $6.50. I think that was a pretty good deal. What do you think? So we got the open water facial cleanser, and we got the open water facial toner. So I think I should give those away as a set. What do you guys think? And then we got the little pair of earrings. And we got the rose and cactus water, facial makeup removing cloths. And we got a set of 10 postcards. What do you think? Is this one I should keep up? You interested in seeing it again? Or should we make this a one and done? Let me know in the comments below. Please be sure and subscribe, like I said earlier, if you have not and you like all sorts of content like this. If you could give this video a quick like, if you enjoyed it, that helps me a ton. Hit the notification bell, of course, if you want notification of upcoming videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and be blessed. How do I say this? I'm doing it again. I start recording, and I don't know what I'm gonna say, or apparently how I'm gonna say it. Okay. Pink Sugar, the Gold Box Edition. Did I hold that up high enough? Did I? Hey everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today I have for you Pink Sugar Box, the Gold Box Edition. Nope, that wasn't what I wanted to say either.